everybody, I'm Dominik from Librec. We run Europe's leading battery recycling operation. We come and pick up lithium-ion battery waste across Europe, transport it to our facility in Switzerland, where we recover all the valuable materials and feed it back into the global supply chain, closing the loop of battery materials. This is the beating heart of our facility. We are in production, and in the Series B, we are scaling up our operations to 9,000 tons of processing capacity. Our funding ask is 11 million euro to expand our processing capacity. Every euro will be invested in the expansion to meet the surging market demand. A tsunami of batteries is coming. Transportation, energy, heating and industry, everything is being electrified. And for this, you all know this, we need a lot of batteries. And soon these batteries will turn into waste. So in 2026, there are already 300,000 tons of lithium-ion batteries to be recycled. This is enough material to feed 25 to 30 of our facilities. And in 5 years' time, this will grow to 750,000 tons of battery wastes. This growth of approximately 20% per year will continue at least until 2045. So there's a huge demand. We run the leading recovery process in the industry. We recover at least 97% of the lithium, the nickel, the cobalt, and the copper incorporated in these batteries. Our black mass products are renowned for their highest quality in the market, and this is awarded by our global off-taking refining partners by a premium. And this premium, in turn, allows us to offer the best prices in the industry for our feedstock, which keeps the feedstock flowing into our facility. In the first year of operation, in 2025, with this we were able to cash in 2.5 million euro of net revenue, and with our partners, hopefully one of you on board, we will scale this in 5 years' time to 80 million euro net revenue. Besides our technological leadership, there are many more advantages which simply cannot be copied. In our home market, in Switzerland, we hold the monopoly to treat automotive-sized lithium-ion battery waste. We operate the largest and very flexible collection network to collect all these battery waste from all over Europe, and this network spans as far as to Portugal. We had an independent research institute coming to our facility and conducting an LCA, which testifies that we hold the world record in lowest greenhouse gas emission per ton of material processed. Look at our facility, the lean and efficient layout. This facility meets each and every legal requirement in terms of environmental protection and safety. This is our scalable blueprint for international expansion to build additional facilities across Europe. This is actually the last opportunity to invest into this very operation, because after the Series B, in 2 years' time, we will break even and we will enter a phase of sustainable growth. So this is the team of Librec. They say hello to you too. Hello Eco Summit. Hi Berlin. Greetings from Switzerland. This is a lean, highly skilled and extremely efficient team. This is the team which conceptualized, engineered and built this facility on its own. And we now have each and every critical know-how onboarded to run and scale our operation. So today I invite you to secure your share in the fastest growing segment of the circular economy. Come to me, let's talk about it. I'm Dominik from Librec. Thank you.